Hello. Hi, everyone. I don't know what time you'll be watching this, maybe in the morning, afternoon, evening, midnight, whenever it is that you're going to watch this. Welcome to week number 9. We are back. Mr. Tesfom and Mr. Pelaez. Mr. Tesfom, go for it.
Yes, it's the PNT production in the full swing. Okay, week 9. By now, you guys are like, oh, we know what's up. You guys already know what everything. But we want to go through it just to make sure. We do have a couple of newcomers to this class. So as you can see, Schoology, week 9, open up the folder, and you have everything that we're responsible for. Weekly video. Most likely you guys are watching, you should be watching this on Delta Math. Okay, through Delta Math and not through the folder. There's more for your parents, but it's here. Google Slides, and then this is a review from last week, solving inequalities, and we'll probably add another one before the end of the week, more about inequalities. Scoop 11, 12, and so on. So everything is in your folder right here. We want to go straight to the Google Slides.
Again, as you guys can see, we are on week 9 and we have changed our theme. We are trying to encourage everybody to do virtual backgrounds and use them. So this is what this theme is about, virtual backgrounds. We are in October, and week 9 goes from October 12th to October 16th.
The agenda, just as we saw in the Schoology folder for week number 9, you have Scoop 11 and 12, Delta Math 11 and 12, and Quiz 7. Scoop 11 is open, but remember, just like last week and the previous week, Scoop 12 is closed for now.
Here are our learning objectives and standards for the week. As you guys can see, we're going to continue with inequalities, and we're going to be using inequalities to solve real life problems. So make sure you guys are paying attention to the scoops, because you will see these problems in your quiz at the end of the week.
Scoops 11 and 12. And we're moving away again from the music lover to Uber. We're going to take Uber to San Diego. Okay, so part 1 and part 2, just like last week, part 1, we're just going to have you find out what the answer is. In part 2, you'll be required to write an inequality that represents the answer. Scoops are due at the beginning of class. Unless you are absent and notify us, you'll get full credit if the scoop, you will not get full credit if the scoop is late. Okay, so make sure you, as soon as you come in, you sign your name and we get you right to it. Okay, so get it done in class.
So here is our problem for the do the math section. It is part of your scoop 11. I will read it to you. It says, Mr. Pelaez wants to go to San Diego to see his nephew, Wolfie, but his car is in the shop. He is thinking of using the Uber service, but he doesn't know if he has enough in the bank account to get to San Diego. The distance between Venice and San Diego is 135 miles. And Uber is charging a flat rate of $13 plus an additional $1.25 per mile. Now here comes the 2 questions you guys will have to answer. Question 1, if Mr. Pelaez only has $138 to spend on the Uber ride, how many miles could he travel if he uses Uber? Question number 2, will Mr. Pelaez have enough money to get to San Diego? Now remember, when you guys answer these 2 questions, you must answer them in complete sentences.
All right. Delta Math, again, you will be required to do 11 and 12. 11 has 7 sections, and why it has 7 sections is because of the video that you're watching right now. Okay, so this video will count for one of those sections, but there are 7 sections altogether in assignment 11 and 6 sections in assignment 12. Please don't forget the quiz. It will open at 2:30 on Fridays, closes by Sunday, 8 p.m. Please get it done on time. Some of you are just not getting the points because you're doing it late, okay? So get it done on time so you can get your full points. So that's a reminder for you, due by Sunday by 8 p.m. We want to encourage some of you to turn in your work because some of you are not turning in your work and you're not getting all the points you should get. So as an encouragement, we are willing to give you an extra point if you turn in your work. So when you submit your work for that quiz, you'll get an extra point. So if you had 7, let's say on that quiz, you'll get 8 for submitting your work. Okay, so for the ones that have been submitting your work, great job. I guess you get an extra point for doing what you've already been doing. Okay, so we want to make sure we encourage the others to turn in their work on time. Okay.
We are too nice, Mr. Tessel. Extra points just for turning in the work? Who does that?
I know. That's why they call me the greatest math teacher of all time. All right, guys. Get that work done, and we will see you in class.
We need to show them the Delta Math though before they go.
Yes, you are correct, sir. Let me take you over to Delta Math. We will give you a quick snap picture. So as you can see, assignment 11, you have the video here, which you are watching right now, and your assignments. And assignment 12, again, the 6 sections here. Am I forgetting anything else?
No, we're good to go. Guys, it's not like if it's a lot of sections, it's just a lot of videos and we're putting them there, I mean, for you. So you guys can use them to do these assignments in case you guys need extra support. So take advantage of them. Don't try to do the assignment before you watch the video. Watch the video, learn from it, then take care of the assignment. I think that's it, Mr. Tessel.
All right, all right. Have a beautiful day.